Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create AI logo in Canva step by step. All right guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. Your first step in creating an AI logo is on the home section. From here, just simply click on create. So click on the plus icon that says create, and then you could simply use a custom size for your design, but I would suggest you simply use the search to simply type in logo. So it's going to bring up design formats you could use, which is 500 by 500. You could find 800 by 800 and things of that nature. So you could find logos for different things. We have for Twitch, we have for YouTube, we have for a shirt, we have for a circle. So just go ahead and click on the normal logo, which is 500 by 500, and an untitled design like this, an empty canvas is going to open up. So with this empty canvas opened up, on the panel by your left, just simply scroll till you find the app section. So click on apps here, use the search again to simply type in logo, and you're going to be finding a lot of applications that could help you create logos. We have Logo Maker, Brand Fetch Logo, Gen Logo, and Logo Master. So I'm going to be making use of Logo Master for today's tutorial. So just simply click on it, and then it says here, describe what you want to create. So I went ahead and gave it a prompt that says a neon horse. So you could just simply say a neon horse logo and simply click on generate. There are some options that could help by like generate an example prompt. You could inspire yourself or optimize your prompt with AI, or even remove the background. So you can get the background removed and just have a plain logo here. So just go ahead and click on create, and it's going to go ahead and generate a logo for you. All right, and these are the samples that we got. For some of these applications, you just get to use them for free for a couple of times a day. As you can see, you get up to 6 free credits a day. So each image is a credit. So we've used some of our credits up. All right, so just go ahead and click on it, and the logo is going to appear on your screen here. It's going to appear on your screen. And now if you simply expand it up, you can make use of this logo for your projects. You could make use of it for your YouTube channel. All you need to do is just be specific with what you want, and you could generate whatever you need for your channel or whatever purpose you're serving. All right, guys, and that's how you can go about using Canva AI to create a logo. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.